I want to tell you all about the Contentpreneurs Academy Bootcamp. It is an amazing thing for you to do if you want to grow your audience, grow your income either as a creator or as a business owner. I want to tell you how I got started. A few years ago, I created another business which grew very quickly into a monetized brand uniquely on my content alone. No, I didn't create a content creation business. It was actually an online language school, but the brand really blew up. So I am now monetized for instant articles, stars, paid online events, and in-stream ads for lives. Now, stars and being paid for ads, you can only get if you have two main things. One, a high follower account, and two, high and consistent engagement. One or the other is not enough. You have to have them both. And I did this with my content alone. But that isn't the best part, because yes, I get paid for doing it, but what it has actually done has grown my business, increased my income, and actually made my brand become well known internationally. I know as a business owner that lots of people struggle with doing this. They struggle with knowing what content to create, how to grow their audience, what sort of niche they need to be working into, and basically what to do every single day in order to grow their income. So this is where the Contentpreneurs Academy Bootcamp comes in. For 30 days, you're going to have a very simple instruction from me to do, as well as a secret portal with extra resources, how-to tutorials, and some secret bonuses. You can do this for 30 days to grow your audience, grow your following, but most importantly, know how to then leverage that to create and generate more income, sales, or bookings towards your actual business. Now, if you don't actually have a business and you just want to earn money from creating content, then this is also going to be very good for you. Most of all, it is not a high ticket course. It's less than $100, and it's definitely something that you want to get onto. I'm going to leave a little link down below. Make sure you read, enroll. See you on the other side.